the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UG Senate exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UG Senate Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan. And here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here in the Still Outlook website, this article was published, that is New Educational Policy, that is 2020. And from now onwards, the single regulator of higher education and the MPhil degree is going to be discontinued. So whatever the past Indian education system from the 34 years, so that education system is going to be revised right now, that is under the New Education Policy 2020. So the few highlights regarding this new education policy we are going to see right now in this article. So the Union Cabinet chaired by the Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi approved the National Education Policy 2020 today, and today means 29th July 2020. So making way for large scale transformational reforms in both school and higher education sectors. This is the first education policy of the 21st century and replaces the 34-year-old national policy on education from 1986, right? So the Union Cabinet today approved a new education policy 2020 today, and India will have a new education policy after more than 3 decades. That means after 34 years. And new education policy 2020 says that there will be a single regulator authority for the higher education, excluding legal and medical. The regulation will be light but tight regulation of higher education. The single regulator with 4 separate verticals for different functions. And higher education curriculum to have flexibility of subjects, multiple entry or exit to be allowed with appropriate certification. And NEP 2020 proposes academic bank of credits to be established to facilitate the transfer of credits. So it is a very good option to all the candidates who are going to be do the higher education right now. Okay, so if the transfer of credit system is there, then if you do the graduation first year in any one college, then if you join the second year in other college, then your credits will be transferred. So like that, the lot of guidelines will be there. So for fostering and accelerating research activities, the National Research Foundation to be established. And affiliation system is going to be phased out in 15 years, and with new graded autonomy to the colleges will be come. And NEP 2020 advocates increased use of technology with equity and National Educational Technology Forum to be created. And NEP 2020 emphasizes setting up of a gender inclusion fund, special education zones for disadvantaged regions and the groups. Next, UG education can be of 3 or 4 years with multiple exit options and appropriate certification within this period. Okay, for example, you are going to get certificate after 1 year, and if you completed the undergraduation in 2 years, after 2 years you are going to get the certificate called advanced diploma, and after 3 years you are going to get the bachelor's degree, and after 4 years you are going to get the certificate with bachelor's with research. So like that, multiple exit options including the certificates are provided here. And coming to the MPhil degree program, it is completely going to be ruled out. Why? Because MPhil degree programs are going to be widely practiced in humanities and arts subject, that is going to be discontinued. And an academic bank of credit is going to be established for digitally storing of all academic credits earned from different higher education institutions, so that the candidates can able to transfer and continue towards the final degree earned. And multidisciplinary education and research universities at part with IITs, IIM to be set up as models of best multidisciplinary education of global standards in the country. Okay, and next, increase of GER to 50% by 2035. So GER means gross enrollment ratio. That means the Indian education system is planning to increase the gross enrollment ratio up to 50% by the 2035. So these are the multiple highlights of the new education policy 2020. Right? So please share this information to your friends or colleagues and your students. And for more notifications regarding this policy, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. Thank you.